Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying compatibility and getting everything online. First, update the Eufy camera firmware in the Eufy security app so it has Homekit support. Next, open Apple Home on your iPhone or iPad and confirm you're logged into the same Apple ID as your Home Hub. Then connect the camera to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and keep the SSID and password handy. Once done, power cycle the device so it's ready for pairing. Now perform the actual pairing step by step. In the Eufy security app, go to the camera settings and turn on HomeKit. The app will show or print an 8-digit HomeKit setup code or QR. Then switch to Apple Home, tap Add Accessory, and either scan the QR or type the code. During the prompts, choose the camera's room and allow streaming and recording. Make sure your Home Hub is online. If it's asleep, wake it so the accessory registers correctly. Finish by validating functionality and securing the setup. Open the Home app to check a live stream, enable motion notifications, and test two-way audio. These confirm proper permissions and network stability. If video lags, move the camera closer to the router or improve signal with an extender. If pairing failed earlier, reboot your phone, Home Hub, and camera. Then reset the camera's network settings and retry HomeKit pairing. Often a clean restart clears lingering handshake errors and allows a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.